Hey people, in today's internet we have got... This must be the coolest photography job in the world.
Doritos are super flammable. A Dorito is basically a carbon wafer soaked in a hydrocarbon oil.
King of the fire.
All of which are flammable.
This is a lot of fire.
In fact, it can create enough fire to cook a steak.
When I'm looking at these clips, I really want to try out paragliding. It must be so peaceful to fly like a bird.
Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together.
Go back to the shadow! You shall not pass! Go!
Peanut butter helps while doing physical therapy. This would work with both dogs and humans. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you guys so much for the support lately. We just reached over 100 members on Discord, so make sure to join the Discord channel. It's down in the link below. Thank you guys so much. See you guys this Wednesday. Peace!